Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. I'm 7 years old. Today I want to talk about baby animals. This dog has two puppies. They are very cute. One puppy, picture 3. Two puppies, picture 1. Three puppies, picture 4. Four puppies, picture 2. Five puppies, picture 6. Six puppies, picture 5. This is a kitten. A kitten. This a baby cat. Small picture. 3. Small 3. Kitten 1. Big 2. Cat 5. Puppy 4. Dog 6. This is a mother sheep. She has 2 lambs. Yes. Kite, yes or no? This is a sheep. Yes. This is a dog. No. This is a puppy. Yes. This is a cat. Yes. This is a kitten. No. This is a dog. Yes. This is a lamb. Yes. They have baby rabbits. They have long ears. Yes or no? I can see 4 rabbits. No, I can see 3 rabbits. Yes, the rabbits are black. No, the rabbits are small. Yes, the rabbits are big. No, they have long ears. Yes, they have pink ears. No, they have blue nose. Nose. No. I'm done. Thank you for listening.